Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In the previous video we had completed exercise 4.1 of class 6th. In this video we will do exercise 4.2 of class 6th. Its first topic is curves. So what does the meaning of curve? Curve means the drawing without lifting the pencil. So curve is the drawing that made by the without lifting the pencil from the paper and without the use of a ruler. They are called the curve. So those kind of drawing which are made by the without lifting the pencil and without the use of ruler. So here as you can see, I've taken one pen and I did not use any ruler with it, and you can see I am not lifting my pen. So this figure this figure is a curve. Okay, one more example we can see, this is also a curve. Okay, one more example, this is also a curve. Okay, these three examples are the examples of curve that made by the without lifting of the pencil or pen and without the use of ruler. Okay, curve in everyday uses means not straight. So as you can see, all these figures are not straight, they are curved, they are rotating from somewhere. Okay, if a curve does not cross itself, then it is called a simple curve. It means when we have a figure that edges are does not intersecting to each other, so all the figures are called simple curve. So in the previous three figures, as you can see, none of the line are crossing to each other. So these three figures are called simple curve. If I draw this kind of figure, so this is not a simple, this is simply curve. But these 1 2 3, starting 1 2 3 is the simple curve, but last is not the simple curve because its line are intersecting. Okay, now the next topic is open curve and closed curve. So in the open curve, there two ends points are does not meeting at each other. It means if I started from this point, so this point will not touch to the last point. Like as you can see, its starting and ending point does not touching to each other. One more example, as you can see, its starting and ending point does not meeting at each other. Or we can see this starting and ending point does not meeting at each other. So those figure who are open, the figure will call open curve. So as the name show, next is closed curve. So in the closed curve, the starting and ending points are meeting at each other, like here. Okay, okay, this figure is also a closed curve because its starting and ending are meeting at one point. Any kind of figure we can make, but their starting and ending point must be touching to each other, so that figure will called closed curve. Okay, the topic is position in a figure. So when we have figure, on that time we have three position in the figure. First is interior. Interior means inside the figure. Next is boundary. It means those points who are present on the boundary, they will call the boundary point, or it can also be shown by on. Next is exterior. Those things who are outside the figure, they will call the exterior point. So as you can see here, I drawn one figure and we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 points. So which points are where? First is interior. For the interior we have to see inside point. So in the figure, inside the figure, only 2 points we can see, which are A and D. So A and D inside the figure. Next is boundary. So those figure who are present on the boundary of the figure. So as you can see here, I am going on the boundary. First I got it E, after that next is B. Okay, so its answer is E and B. Third is exterior, means outside. So those points who are at the outside of the figure, they will called exterior point. Its answer is F and C. F and C. New topic is polygon. Polygon means simple closed figure made up entirely of line segment is called polygon. It means this is a simple kind of closed figure and the figure is completely made up by the line segment. So that kind of figure is called the polygon. As you can see here, I drawn A, B, C and D section. All the figures are made up by the line segment. Here this is line segment, this is also line segment, this is also line segment, this is also line segment. So completely first figure, second figure, third figure and fourth figure, they all are made up by the only line segment. Okay, it means they all are made up by the line segments only. Now the new topic of the polygon, that is related to elements of polygon. Elements means those things who are important in any polygon are: first is sides, next is vertex, third is adjacent sides, fourth is adjacent vertex. For explaining these four sections, I drawn one figure. The figure name is A, B, C, D and E. Okay, figure have 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so our first topic is sides. Sides means the line segments forming a polygon are called its sides. So those line segments who are making the polygons together, so that line segment is called the sides. Okay, so here as you can see, AB is the first line segment. We have to take the endpoints of the line. This line endpoint name is A and B. This line endpoint is B and C, so its name is BC. This line endpoint name is C, D. This line point name is D, E and the last is E, A. So we have to write their name. First line segment is AB. So here A, B. This is line segment, that's why we have to put one line. Okay. Next is BC. So BC is one more example. CD. Okay. DE. And the last is EA. 5 sides we seen and we have to write all the sides name. Next is vertex. The meeting point of a pair of sides is called its vertex. So where there two sides are joining to each other, that point is called vertex. Here as you can see, these two lines are joining at A, these two lines are joining at B, these two lines are joining at C, these two sides are joining at D and these two sides are joining at E. So A, B, C, D, E, all 5s are the vertex. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E. These 5 are the vertex of the figure. Next is adjacent sides. Adjacent sides means any two sides with a common endpoint are called the adjacent sides of the polygon. It means whenever we see two sides having the one common point, like if we are talking A to B and B to C, अगर A B की बात करते हैं और B C की बात करते हैं तो दोनों के पास कॉमन क्या है? B. So A B and B C are adjacent sides. In the simple language we can call it as a neighbor, because A B neighbor is B C. So as a A B and B C, they both are neighbor to each other. They both are sharing one point whose name is B. Okay, दोनों में क्या आ रहा है? B. Next is BC. BC adjacent is CD. Okay, same as that we done in the BA BC section. Same way we are going on the BC and CD. Okay, BC and CD. As you can see, one have a starting and one have a BC have the C as a ending and CD have C as a starting. Next CD, DE, CD and DE. Okay, DE, EA. Okay, so they all are adjacent to each other. BEA is adjacent of BC, BC is adjacent of CD, CD is adjacent of DE. DE is adjacent of EA. Now adjacent vertex. The endpoints of the same side of the polygon are called the adjacent vertex. So same as the side, that manner will continuously going on in the adjacent vertex. So here the neighbor of A is B, the neighbor of B is C, the neighbor of C is D, the neighbor of D is E, the neighbor of E is A. Okay, so we will start from A to B, A and B, then B and C, then C and D, then D and E, and last is E and A. They are adjacent vertex. A का पड़ोसी B है, B का पड़ोसी C है, C का पड़ोसी D है. Same manner we have to follow. Now here we completed all the terms related to exercise 4.2. Now we are going to start our exercise 4.2. Here exercise 4.2, its first question is classify the following curves as open or closed. So we have to classify which figure is open figure and which figure is closed figure. So in the A figure you can see their endpoints did not join at same place. It means A is a open figure. B does not have anywhere as an open way, so it is closed figure. Okay, C does not have any common point. Okay, so there this is also a open figure. D is completely closed figure because it's all the endpoints are, its starting and ending points are closing. Okay, closed, so that's why it is also a closed curve. E is also, as you can see here, we don't have any way to enter inside the figure, so that's why this figure is called closed curve, closed figure. Okay, now the question number 2 is draw rough diagram to illustrate the following. We have to draw any rough diagram according to our choice. First is open curve. It means its end point does not meeting at one position. So you can draw it at your choice. I am drawing from my choice like in this way. Okay, as you can see, its starting point and ending point are does not meeting at each other. And when I draw this figure I drawn from without lifting the pencil and without the use of ruler. Same as for closed curve. Remember one thing, in the closed curve, its starting and ending points are meeting at one position. So here from this point I will start, so from this point we have to end also. Okay, as you can see here, this is closed curve. You can draw it your choice also. Okay, now the third question is draw any polygon and shade its interior. They said we have to draw a polygon. Polygon means a figure, a simple closed figure made up entirely of line segment is called polygon. So we have to draw a figure that is completely made up by the line segment. In there we did not draw any curved line. Okay, any curved line does not coming in the polygon. Okay, so here I drawn a figure that have 4 sides, 1 2 3 4 5 6 sides is in the figure, and question said us to shade its interior. So from the pencil I shade its interior part. So this is its interior portion that we shade by the pencil or color. Okay, how many sides of the figure it have? Okay, sides is 6, vertex भी कितने होंगे? 6. So now we will put their name A, B, C, D, E, F. So A, B, C, D, E, F are the vertex of the figure. So here we completed question number 3. Now question number 4, consider the given figure and answer the questions. So we have to see this figure and we have to answer A and B section. A section said as, is it a curve? It means the given figure is a curve or not. So we know curve is a drawing which can be made without lifting the pencil or without the use of ruler. So if I started from this point, so from this point may I make this section without lifting the pencil? As you can see, I am moving my pen and I am lifting my pen. No, I am not lifting my pen. So it means this figure is a curve, okay, and none of the section, none of the line, none of the drawing of the figure are intersecting or cutting to each other. That's why this figure is completely curved. So its answer is yes. B is it closed? So have you seen any way to enter inside the figure? We don't have anywhere to any place to enter inside the figure. All the points are joining. It means this is also a closed figure. That's why its answer is yes. So only this much we have to do in the question number 4. Question number 5 is illustrate if possible each one of the following with a rough diagram. You have to explain if possible. If possible is there, then you have to draw the rough diagram. Okay. A closed curve that is not a polygon. That is not a polygon. It means we have to draw such kind of figure that have line segment, curved line, that kind of, because polygon does not have curved line. Polygon is completely made up by the line segment, and they said us not a polygon. So we have to draw the rough sketch. That's why I am without using of scale I am drawing. Okay, from this point I have to start. Anything I can draw. As you can see, I use curved line. Okay. Okay. Here from this part to this part, it is a curved. That's why it is not a polygon. Here we have line segments, but here we have curved line. That's why this figure is not considered as a polygon. So this is the rough sketch. B is an open curve made up entirely of line segment. So we have to draw open curve that completely made up by the line segment. So we have to draw the line segment anyway, but their endpoints does not meet at one place. So from where we have to start? I am starting from this point. Okay. As you can see, I drawn a figure, but their starting point and ending point are not meeting at each one place. That's why this figure is open curve. Okay. See, a polygon with two sides. So I make one side and two side. Okay, this is one side and this is two side. Is it polygon? No, is it not a polygon, because it is not a closed, it is open. Okay, from any way you can make, but every time you did not have closed figure. So that's why its answer is not possible. Okay, so here we completed our exercise 4.2. I hope you enjoyed it and understood it. If any problem is there, you may ask in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.